The Forester has always been a reasonably priced and robust crossover with unique and respectable features. A great highlight for the Japanese manufacturer was the Wilderness package, which they offered with their Outback SUV. Thankfully, Subaru also gave the Forester the same package, packing the already impressive crossover with some impressive exterior, interior, and mechanical upgrades to make it better than ever off the tarmac. So let's look at 10 things we love about the 2023 Subaru Forester Wilderness. In order to ensure that you wouldn't break a sweat regardless of the terrain condition, Subaru has given the Forester Wilderness the X-Mode Terrain Response System. This equips the crossover with plenty of driving modes and the ability to switch terrain types on the move. The redesigned system allows the Forester Wilderness to be equally capable on snow, dirt, and mud, and has a smart all-wheel drive system with a limited slip differential. There's even a drive mode setting for deep snow, making the Subaru Forester Wilderness ready for all environments. When the Subaru Forester Wilderness drives by, you're going to know it's the more capable Forester. This is because Subaru has equipped the Forester Wilderness with special and unique exterior elements to make the Wilderness stand out. These additions include skid plates that protect the undercarriage from rocks and debris when you go trail hunting. Apart from that, the Subaru Forester Wilderness also comes with special blacked-out wheels, black mirror caps, and a unique Wilderness badge. Of course, the matte black hood is exclusive to the Wilderness trim on the Forester. As the name suggests, the Wilderness package on the Subaru Forester gives the crossover some pretty great off-roading credentials. All-terrain tires on the Forester Wilderness give the vehicle better traction on dirt, mud, and other off-road surfaces. The Subaru Forester Wilderness also comes with an off-roading suspension, which is more rugged than that available on the standard Forester, made to handle the stresses of off-road driving. Skid plates also protect the undercarriage of the Forester Wilderness, making the crossover ready to take on any mean terrain nature could throw its way. Subaru has also upgraded the carrying capacity of the Forester's roof rails with the Wilderness package. After all, if your vehicle is more capable than ever at off-roading, you might as well take all the camping accessories you can. The sturdier roof rails on the Forester Wilderness can handle bicycle racks and even a rooftop tent. In motion, these new and improved rails can carry around 200 pounds and over 800 pounds when the car is at rest. Furthermore, accented with anodized copper pieces, the roof rails on the Subaru Forester Wilderness look absolutely stunning. If you bring home a Subaru Forester Wilderness, you're certainly planning on putting the crossover through some rough, muddy, and wet environments. Thankfully, not only is the Forester Wilderness up for the challenge on the outside, but also on the inside. The upholstery on the Subaru Forester Wilderness is easy to clean and water resistant, which means that even the cabin of the crossover will be able to keep up with any off-roading exploits. Copper accents inside the Forester make it an even more stylish place to be in. When you're out exploring the great outdoors and trying to get through new and difficult terrains, knowing everything around you is key. The Subaru Forester Wilderness ensures that you have a view of everything in front of the hood with a front view monitor. This nifty little monitor sits atop the center console, right above the infotainment screen, showing you exactly what's under the front grille at all times. The front view monitor thus gives you the confidence to trek with your Subaru Forester Wilderness without breaking a sweat. The Subaru Forester Wilderness also accelerates faster than the base Forester. Every Subaru Forester runs on the same 2.5-liter flat four-cylinder engine, making 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. However, the Forester Wilderness is not only more off-road capable, but it also comes with an added gear and a lowered gear ratio. These help the SUV accelerate faster than the standard Forester. The Forester Wilderness goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8.1 seconds against the 8.3 seconds it takes a standard Forester to cross the 60 miles per hour mark. The Forester Wilderness rides higher than the standard Subaru Forester. Compared to a standard Subaru Forester, the Forester Wilderness comes with two major differences. Thanks to the all-terrain tires and the more rugged suspension, the Subaru Forester Wilderness also receives some added lift. Thus, the Forester Wilderness has an additional 0.6 inches of ground clearance, which helps it better navigate rough terrain. Ground clearance on an off-roading vehicle is as essential as it gets, and for those looking to explore nature, the Wilderness is a no-brainer. The Subaru Forester Wilderness receives exclusive all-terrain tires. The Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain rubbers are made for all-terrain driving and provide a lot better traction on dirt, mud, and snow than the tires on a regular Forester. Not only do the all-terrain tires and the upgraded suspension raise the height of the vehicle from 8.6 inches to 9.2 inches, but they are also blacked out, giving the Subaru Forester Wilderness a rugged look. The Wilderness package on the Subaru Forester isn't merely a superficial addition, as it also comes with mechanical upgrades like the rugged suspension, all-terrain tires, and a lower gear ratio. The CVT transmission on the Forester Wilderness comes with 8 gears instead of 7, along with stronger pulleys. Not only does this upgraded CVT helps the Wilderness accelerate faster, but it also upgrades the vehicle's towing capacity, doubling the standard towing capacity of the Forester from 1,500 pounds to a whopping 3,000 pounds.